Hello, today we're going to talk about using word tiles by Eureka. This is a resource that's available in the library literacy room, and it's available for you to help your learner achieve writing or constructing wonderful sentences. What I want you to notice is that they are color coded. These color codes represent different parts of speech. Blue are for nouns, red are for verbs, yellow is for pronouns, punctuation, articles, and prepositions, and green is adjectives or descriptive words. This is a great way for you to teach them different parts of speech, but also how to write sentences and to build their sentence writing skills. For example, if you look over here at a couple of sentences that I have pre-written for you, you're going to see a simple sentence, I eat candy. This will teach them how to find the subject and use I in your verb as eat candy. Also, the sentences for the second one do not necessarily start with a capital, but it still does the purpose of making sure that it does have a complete and colorful parts of speech. She lives in a big yellow house. They have tools here or tiles here where you can have a period at the end and you can move the punctuation around, but it also makes sure that your student is being able to grow in their sentence structure. They may begin with simple tiles and move to more colorful tiles, which shows that they're able to use descriptive words correctly. Thank you very much.